Yo, what's up YouTube family? If you've ever wanted to make money with drones, yes, actual cash using something that flies, this video is for you. Imagine delivering packages across your neighborhood with a drone and getting paid for it. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to get your drone license, set up your delivery hustle legally, find local clients, and scale this into a real business. So stay tuned and make sure to like, comment drone money if you're rocking with this idea, and hit that subscribe button because this is about to blow your mind. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what you need. A drone license, FAA Part 107. This is the official license you need to fly a drone for money. You can take the test online or at a testing center. Costs around $175. Study materials are free online, or pay $99 for a full prep course if you want to be extra ready. A drone, under 55 pounds. You don't need a $10,000 machine. Start with something like the DJI Mini 4 Pro, under $1,000, solid flight time, and under 250 degrees, which helps avoid some restrictions. Or if you want package hooks built in, look into delivery-focused drones like the Flytrex Mule or Heisha Drone Box. Small packages. Under 5 pounds is ideal. Think cupcakes, prescriptions, t-shirts, documents, even car keys. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this even legal? Yes, if you follow the rules. Here's what the FAA, Federal Aviation Administration, says. You must keep the drone in your line of sight unless you get a BVLOS waiver, that's beyond visual line of sight. You can't fly over people or moving cars unless your drone is certified to do that. You must fly below 400 feet. The drone and payload must be under 55 pounds total. No flying at night unless you pass the night ops section of Part 107. No hazardous materials, so no propane tanks or mystery boxes. So yes, you can absolutely make legal deliveries as long as you stick to these rules. Now here's where the bag comes in. Option 1, local delivery business. Partner with local bakeries, boutiques, florists, pharmacies. Offer 15-minute VIP drone delivery. Charge $20 per drop. Imagine doing just 10 deliveries per day. That's $200 a day. All you need is one drone, one Instagram page, and one local business willing to test it. Option 2, partner with startups. Companies like Zipline, Wing by Google, DroneUp works with Walmart, are hiring certified pilots for drone deliveries. Get your license, apply, and you could earn $20 to $50 per hour just flying pre-mapped routes. Option 3, offer content plus delivery. Deliver a package and capture drone footage of the drop, then sell that content to influencers, brands, or couples doing proposals or events. You just added media production on top of delivery. Big bag. Here's how to get your first paying client. Walk into 5 local businesses and say, "Hey, I'm starting a drone delivery service. I can deliver your orders in 15 minutes or less, and we'll make a cool video out of it too. First one's free, let's try it." Film the delivery, edit it with cool music and drone shots. Post it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, tag the business. Now pitch this as a service to other businesses in your area. Show them that one viral delivery clip. This is a unique offer. Almost no one's doing it. You are now the first drone delivery specialist in your zip code. Flex that. Want to turn this into a real business? Here's what you'll need. Website. Use Wix or Shopify to take orders. Scheduling software. Calendly or Square appointments. Drone delivery box. Search drone drop release kit on Amazon or AliExpress. Waivers and insurance. For higher-end clients, get drone liability insurance. Check Verifly or Skywatch.ai. Offer a monthly subscription plan for businesses. Something like, for $399 a month, we'll deliver up to 30 packages and include video of your product being delivered by air. That's recurring income, not just gig money. So let me ask you, are you ready to fly into your own business? This isn't just about drones, it's about using new technology to make money, create content, and stand out. Get your license. Get your drone. Get your first delivery. Film it and go viral. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.